I'm now going to show you just how easy it is to use one of our foam units. You simply have to connect the compressed air to the back of the unit. Once that's connected, you're ready to foam. First, I'm going to point out while I'm foaming, if I need to adjust the wetness or the dryness of the foam, I can simply do so with the needle valve located on the back of the plate. I'm now going to take my hose, point it in a safe direction, and open the ball valve. When I'm done foaming, I'm going to simply disconnect the compressed air and again depressurize my hose. And that's how you foam.